program in the Eclipse IDE. In a previous tutorial, we have already built necessary BerkeleyDB libraries and copied them to the sample programs directory. So let's open Eclipse and import the project. Now we are ready to import and run the sample program. Before that, we want to make sure that JDK7 is configured as installed JRE in Eclipse. To verify that, click Eclipse, Preferences, find Execution Environments and Java installed JREs. Click on Java SE 1.7 and verify that it is linked to a JDK7 installation. Now we are set to import the sample program. From the context menu, select Import. Select General Existing Projects and click Next.
Even for that one is running? Online shopping?
I think I have 2 projects.
Select the root directory of the sample program
For online shopping, they are ready completely from previous.
as the root directory.
It will surely run.
Even I have 3 projects.
Make sure the sample program is checked.
Yeah, it will run.
But still we need to make a video, right?
Yeah, we will make a video. Once we have the project, what we have to do is we run the project. Okay?
We just explain.
Then the sample program is imported.
So anyways, we'll make the
We can
video,
see
but
that
you
it
say that
contains
thing is
a
running,
few
this is not
error
running, so I
errors.
should be best at
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Now we configure the build path of the project
Yes.
to fix the compiler
11
errors.
or
From
12?
the context menu,
Even if it's
click
12,
build path
Hey, we don't have much
configure
time.
build path.
Yeah. I mean, if all of us do that one, like me,
The libraries tab page,
you know, everybody, you won't
click Add
you
jars.
might think, okay, it's his mistake because he didn't put it there.
That's right.
and select the 2 jar files
Hello?
built from the BerkeleyDB release package.
No, Rajesh sir, you... I'm doing
If you
it.
did not copy them into the sample programs directory, you may need to click Add External Jars to find them. After adding the 2 jars, we need to configure their native library locations. Click the arrows to expand the Edit jars and select Native Library Location. Click Edit. We can simply add the workspace root directory and the native library location because we have copied the native libraries into the root directory of the sample program. Now we are ready to run the sample program. Expand the source tree and find the parking demo class.
I think it will run. Huh?
From the context menu, select Run as Java Application.
Database पूरा install करना होगा. Configure करना पड़ेगा ना DB. वही कर रहा हूँ.
Now we can see that the sample program has run successfully. Let's take a quick look to the output of the sample program. The sample program simulates 5 cars entering and leaving a parking lot. When each car enters the parking lot, it gets a ticket with a unique ticket ID. When it leaves the parking lot, it pays its parking fee based on how long it stays in the parking lot. At the end of the simulation, 2 statistics are also computed. The total number of cars entering the parking lot during a day, and total parking fees collected on the same day. Before wrapping up the tutorial, I would also like to show you how to select the APIs used to run the sample program. Open the parking demo class. You can see that at the beginning of the main method, you can specify which API to use to run the sample program. The default API is set to SQL, which means the JDBC driver is used. For example, we can change it to base, which means the basic key-value API is used. Or you can change it to DPL to use a direct persistent layer API. Now this wraps up the